Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. After months of going back and forth on whether I should get this bag, I finally brought home one of the LV's most iconic pieces, the Neverfull MM. There's just something special about a LV purchase, from the iconic shopping bag to the beautifully wrapped orange box tied with the signature blue ribbon. The entire experience feels luxurious. The Neverfull MM has been on my wish list for a long time, and today I'm finally getting to unbox it. And here comes the moment we all have been waiting for. Inside the box, the bag arrives protected in a dust bag, keeping it safe and pristine. And here she is. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The LV Neverfull MM. My first impression is how beautiful yet lightweight it feels. The iconic monogram canvas is timeless, instantly recognizable, and incredibly elegant. Taking a closer look, the interior is spacious and beautifully lined. One of the best things about this bag is how open and roomy it feels. It also comes with this removable pouch which can be used separately as a clutch or for organizing smaller essentials. The shoulder straps are slim yet sturdy and sit comfortably on the shoulders. Now, this is the one feature that I absolutely love. It's the adjustable side laces. When left open, the bag has the classic tote silhouette that most people recognize, but by pulling the side laces inward, you can completely change the shape of the bag. It instantly becomes more structured and compact. It's almost like getting two styles in one bag. Now let's take a closer look at the pouch that comes with the bag. Inside, it's perfect for storing cards, cash, keys, makeup essentials, or other smaller items that you want to keep. What's great is that it's attached with a simple clasp, making it very easy to remove whenever needed. Once detached, it can be carried separately as a small clutch for quick errands, dinners, or travel. The pouch features the same iconic monogram canvas. Now, for one of the most important questions, what actually fits inside the Neverfull MM? Let's start with a laptop. Next, I'm adding my AirPods, followed by my diary that says, "Good things start here," because every bag needs a little positivity. Then, a pen, then I'm adding my book. Still, there's so much room. My makeup pouch, followed by my phone charger. Then I'm adding my sunglasses and my wallet. And I most of the times I feel cold, whether in the flight or in the mall, so I carry a scarf. And finally, my Stanley water tumbler. What impresses me the most is that even after adding all of these everyday essentials, the bag still doesn't feel overcrowded. Now, after seeing everything this bag can do, it's easy to understand why it has become such a classic. It's lightweight, incredibly spacious, versatile. It's equally stylish as a work bag or a travel bag. One thing to keep in mind is that this bag doesn't come with a zip closure. Neither it comes with a built-in organizer or any insert. And staying organized can be a little bit challenging. So, is the LV Neverfull MM worth it? For me, absolutely yes. It's a bag that combines luxury, practicality, and timeless style in a way that very few bags can. It's actually versatile enough to stay relevant for years to come. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next luxury adventure. Till then, bye bye.